It was intense in there, seeing my learners slug it out with some other brilliant sharps also. Is
the Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, scholars and geniuses, welcome to the Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition. It's actually the final session for stage 1, and woo, we are super pumped to be here. Wow. It's been such a long session. We've had A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. And right now we have the last group, which is going to be Group P, and the different representatives and their schools going on here. We're super excited. We're super glad. It's such a special day here for the quiz competition. Yes, it's a special day every other day, but it's an extra special day because today actually is my birthday. Yay! Oh my, and I get to share it with some brilliant minds shining through right about now. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. I'm your moderator and quiz master, and you're very welcome to it. So let's find out exactly the schools in the P category. We have, in no particular order, Best Group of Schools. We also have Atuwatse the Second College. Also on the list, we have Rute Secondary School. And finally, we have Army Day Secondary School. Wow. We have power minds going on there. Okay, so let's see and hear from our representatives from the first set of schools for our first session. We have Best Group of Schools versus Atuwatse the Second College. From Best Group of Schools, we have...
My name is Praise GT Ada.
My name is Emmanuel.
Nice, welcome. And from Atuwatse the Second College?
My name is Michael.
Insan Manuela.
Beautiful. Awesome, amazing. You guys look like you're ready. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Okay, just before we get into the competition proper, from Best Group of Schools, if you win that 10 million naira, everybody is hitting for that mark right now. What are you going to do with it?
Well, I would use a part of it to further my tertiary institution journey. Then the rest could be for my parents.
Wow, really? Oh, he loves his parents so much. How about you?
Still the same thing. Further my education. Some of the money goes to my parents.
Same thing. We're loving our parents right now. I like it. From Atuwatse the Second College?
I will invest it on things that matter to me most, and I will help those who don't have.
You will help those who don't have.
Yes.
What are some of the things that matter to you most?
My education, then businesses, and
Businesses.
yes.
You're business minded like that. Wow, we like it. How about you, my darling?
Well, I used to help my school.
To help your school. So you're saying this is a school that made me. I'm not going to leave you. If I win this, it's not just for me, it's for all of us. I like that too. Wonderful. Alrighty then, let's get right to it. The competition is about to start right about now by between Best Group of Schools versus Atuwatse the Second College. So we have some rules going on here. You probably have heard them before, but I'm just going to remind you. So you have 20 questions, but 10 questions each. Every correct question you get attracts 2 points. For every correct bonus question you get, that attracts 1 point. For every single question, you have 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer correctly. All right, we're rooting for you, and we believe you're going to do just fine. One more time, competitors, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Okay, we're going to start with Best Group of Schools. What is the term for atoms with the same atomic number but different numbers of neutrons? A, isobars. B, isotopes. C, isotones. D, isomers.
B. Isotopes.
B. Isotopes is correct. What is the name for an equation containing variables on both sides? A. Simple equation. B. Linear equation. C. Literal equation. D. Quadratic equation.
D. Quadratic equation.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
It's B. Linear equations.
B is also incorrect. The correct answer is C. Literal equation. A literal equation has variables on both sides of the equal sign. All right. Now your question, what type of electromagnetic wave has the highest frequency? A. X-rays. B. Ultraviolet. C. Gamma rays. D. Infrared.
C. Gamma rays.
That is correct. All right, to the next school. What does NASU stand for? A. National Academic Staff Union. B. Nigerian Association of Staff Unions. C. Nigerian Administrative Staff Union. D. Non-Academic Staff Union.
D. Non-academic staff union.
That is correct. Next question. What type of sentence makes a request or gives a command? A. Declarative. B. Interrogative. C. Imperative. D. Exclamatory.
C. Imperative.
That is correct. Next question. What is the name for the amount of solute needed to make saturated solution at a given temperature? A. Solubility. B. Concentration. C. Molarity. D. Density.
B. Concentration.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
A. Solubility.
That is correct. Now your question, what is the line that divides an angle into two equal parts called? A. Median. B. Altitude. C. Bisector. D. Perpendicular.
C. Bisector.
That is correct. Next question to Atuwatse, the second college. What is the force that opposes the relative motion of surfaces in contact? A. Normal force. B. Tension. C. Friction. D. Thrust.
C. Friction.
That is correct. And to the next school, who is the current Speaker of the House of Representatives of Nigeria? A. Femi Gbajabiamila. B. Godswill Akpabio. C. Benjamin Kalu. D. Tajuddin Abbas.
C. Benjamin Kalu.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B. Godswill Akpabio.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is D. Tajuddin Abbas. He's the current Speaker of the House. Now your question, what is the study of sentence structure called? A. Morphology. B. Phonology. C. Syntax. D. Semantics.
A. Morphology.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B. Morphology.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is syntax. Syntax is the study of how words are arranged to form sentences. Well, you're doing very well. Can we celebrate and applaud the contestants behind the podium? Amazing. Let's go for a quick break now. We'll return back to 10 more questions. I'm going to see how our contestants are going to do.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition.
On exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
I don't know what P represents for you right now, if it represents power or if it represents pressure. Right now, the pressure is real and very tangible as we're doing this competition, the Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition. And we have two powerhouse schools that are present here in studio, Best Group of Schools and Atuwatse the second college. They've had their first round of 10 questions. Let's see how they do for the second round. It's your quiz master here, Rejoice Debekeme. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
All right, then let the quiz games begin. What type of mixture can be separated by filtration? A. Solution. B. Suspension. C. Colloid. D. Compound.
A. Solution.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C. Colloid.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is suspension. Suspension contains visible particles that can be separated by filtration. All right, now your question. What is a number that divides another number, leaving no remainder? A. Multiple. B. Factor. C. Prime. D. Composite.
A. Multiple.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C. Prime.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is B. Factor. The factor divides into another number exactly with no remainder. All right, now your question. What is the change in velocity per unit time called? A. Speed. B. Displacement. C. Acceleration. D. Momentum.
B. Displacement.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C. Acceleration.
That is correct. Now your question. Which state was Delta and Edo created from in 1991? A. Edodel. B. Benidel. C. Bendel. D. Niger Delta.
C. Bendel.
That is correct. Next school, what is the term for words that share a common root or origin? A. Synonyms. B. Cognates. C. Homonyms. D. Antonyms.
B. Cognates.
That is correct. Next school. What is the process of solid particles settling at the bottom of a liquid? A. Decantation. B. Sedimentation. C. Filtration. D. Crystallization.
B. Sedimentation.
That is correct. Next school. What is the name for a triangle with two equal sides? A. Scalene. B. Equilateral. C. Isosceles. D. Right-angled.
C. Isosceles.
That is correct. What is the maximum height reached by a projectile called? A. Apex. B. Peak. C. Zenith. D. Vertex.
D. Vertex.
That is correct. Next school, your question. What was Nigeria's first political party? A. Action Group. B. NCNC. C. NNDP. D. NPC.
A. Action Group.
That is incorrect. Moving on to the next school.
C. NNDP.
That is correct. Now your question, what is the term for words that are pronounced differently based on their meaning? A. Homographs. B. Homophones. C. Heteronyms. D. Synonyms.
C. Heteronyms.
That is correct. Okay, we can clap better now. Come on. I feel like maybe we should bring some members of the audience, just behind the podium. Let's see how they do. We're going to find out how all of that pans out. This has come to the end of the 20 questions, of which our contestants have answered 10 each. Wow. But let's see what the result sheets are going to say for them right after this break.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation, and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekoro TV. Atlantic TV, culturally inclined, uniquely different.
So keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different.
And yes, we're back. It's time to reveal the scores and find out what's going on. Finally, now we can breathe down like, all right, because right now the heartbeat is racing really fast. Let's find out what's happening on the score sheets. If you're just checking in, it's Ogiame Atuwatse, the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition. I'm your quiz master. It's Rejoice here, and then we've been engaging the battle of intellectuals here in studio from Best Group of Schools and Atuwatse, the second college. Can we celebrate them? They did fantastic. From what I can see on the score sheets, it's actually a really close one. From Best Group of Schools, they rounded up as a total of 13 points. And from Atuwatse, the second college, they wrapped it up at a total of 14 points. Wow, wow, wow. Have they done well? Yes, they have. And we celebrate each and every one of them for shining forth their brilliance, their knowledge, their intellect, their strategy, and everything that they have prepared for. Okay, but this is just stage one. Remember, there's stage two, and then there's stage three. It keeps building every single time. So we have had from the P category, Best Group of Schools at Atuwatse, the second college. After the break, we're going to find out what Rute Secondary School and Army Day Secondary School have to offer. Stay with us.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
Your future is in your hand as a student, not in the hands of your parents, teacher, or anybody. Do not allow anybody to tell you that education is a scam.
The vision of the future of the world child started in 2002. Our vision is to build a world where every child is inspired to pursue their passion, reach their full potential, and contribute meaningfully to their community. Our mission is to empower the world child to embrace their unique personalities and temperaments, fostering a future of self-discovery, personal growth, and positive change.
You see, you cannot put yourself as a parent in the child. The child has to develop, find out what he or she likes most.
You can be absolutely anything you want to be, whether you are a male, whether you're a female.
The friends you keep matters a lot.
So you might be addicted, that is a fact. The truth, can you leave that addiction? That is the truth.
Through the office of the sole representative of the Olu of Warri, and by the Olu of Warri, we are going to be paying for 100 SS3 students, WAEC. So if you add the 25, we're actually paying for 125 students, courtesy of His Majesty Ogiame Atuwatse III. And of course, for the Warri child, never give up. Just believe in yourself, and the sky is your limit.
He said never give up. 22 solid years he carried a dream. Wow. The future of the Warri child is indeed safe and secure.
my name is Desoka, the comedy catalyst of one of Nigerian comedy.
Alright guys, back again, yes boss, my name is Osh baby.
CME Alade.
Yeah, what up people, it's your boy Victor Edi.
Girl Niniola.
My name is my wife, and just celebrity type man.
My papa say, who won't carry cow, waka go, waka follow the cow. I know the life for you.
I see you know you're watching the Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Informative, educative, interesting, entertaining.
Worldwide, international.
Don't go anywhere or I'll catch you.
Don't touch that die. Atlantic TV. Boom.
Atlantic TV, we wanna party.
Atlantic TV, culturally inclined and uniquely different.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
Atlantic TV, culturally inclined, uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekoro TV.
So keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV, culturally inclined and uniquely different.
Wow, and we are back to the second session for the Group P. We've had an amazing session with the first group of schools going on there, talking about best group of schools, and Atuwatse, the second college. Right about now, we're about to have Rute Secondary School and Army Day Secondary School. Wow. And they look like they're pumped up and they're ready to deliver excellently. We are so proud of them and we can't wait to see what they're going to do when their questions come through. But first of all, let's find out who's representing each school. So from Rute Secondary School, we have... And from Army Day Secondary School, we have...
My name is Oyo-Ekoro Justice.
Wow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not representing any school. I'm your quiz master and my name is Rejoice Debekeme. In the middle, just neutral. Okay, but just before we kick off the competition, a little icebreaker going on here. From Army Day Secondary School, can you tell me how many friends you have in total?
5.
5? In this whole wide world? You have only 5? Why? Why not like 15 or 22?
Well, I do talk to a lot of people, but the ones close to me are just 5.
You're just 5. You
Yes.
talk to, you have a lot of acquaintances, and you're very warm, but you're real main men. They're 5. Nice. How about you?
About 4.
You're 4. Wow, we don't have so many friends anymore. What's happening? Are these online friends or physical friends? You're physical friends, right? Okay, so if you had the opportunity to call one friend right now to say, hey, I don't know this answer, what is it? Who's that friend you're calling?
It's going to be, his name is Courage.
Courage. Would that be your best friend?
It's not my best friend, but it's one of the smartest
He's the
friends.
one who's smart. So Courage, we're celebrating you right now from Amigay Secondary School. He said, I'm going to call Courage. When in doubt, call Courage. Okay, how about you? Who are you calling?
His name is Prince.
Prince?
Yes.
Is he from the royal family?
No.
But he's a prince. Okay.
It's my classmate. I'll call him because he has something to offer.
He has something to offer. We like friends that bring something to the table now. Oh, good friends going on there. All right, tell me, how many friends do you have? You look like superstars, you know, like maybe 58. And then online, maybe 2,000. Oh, go ahead, tell us.
10.
10? Wow. Are you a leader of a fellowship or association or something? Or what? You have 10. Okay, this whole wide world, are they all around you or they're from across Nigeria and the world?
They are all around me.
They're all around you. Okay, nice. How about you? How many? 18? Wow, we're doing the maths. I have to think myself. How many friends do I have? I think just 3. Okay, but 18? How did you get so many friends? How do you maintain your relationships with your friends?
I'm an open person.
You're very open. You're like an open book. You're just warm, very receptive. This is me. Take me for who I am. You know, love me, see me the way it is. Oh, that's nice. So who are you calling out of the 18? Wealth. He has a wealth of knowledge. When you call him, delivers. You're calling Wealth? Wealth, we're celebrating you. If you're watching this. Okay, who are you calling amongst the 10?
Tamakro.
Tamakro. Okay. Tamakro, we're also giving you a shout out. Right about now from Rute Secondary School. All right, nice. Good friendships are amazing. The ones that come through for us, the ones we can come through for. There's always an amazing one going on there. So yes, we're rooting for you. We have an online audience, and of course we have physical audience here in studio. I know we may not be your friends, but we're rooting for you. And we know you're going to do good. So, contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
One more time. Can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
The rules remain the same. You have 20 questions, 10 each for the 2 schools represented here. If you get any answer correctly, that will earn you 2 points. If you get a bonus question correctly, that will earn you 1 point. Every question you have to answer in 1 minute, 30 seconds. Let the games begin. We're beginning with Rute Secondary School. What type of reaction occurs when a metal reacts with oxygen? A. Reduction. B. Oxidation. C. Hydrolysis. D. Neutralization.
B.
That is correct. Next school. What is the name for the point where a graph crosses the y-axis? A. Origin. B. Intercept. C. Y-intercept. D. Intersection.
B.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
A.
A is also incorrect. The correct answer is y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where a graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, now your question. What is the time taken for one complete oscillation called? A. Frequency. B. Period. C. Amplitude. D. Wavelength.
B.
B period is correct. Next school, what does Servicom stand for? A. Service Commission. B. Service Committee. C. Service Compact. D. Service Command.
A.
That is incorrect. Going on to the next school.
B.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is service compact. Okay, alrighty then. Now your question, what is the term for a statement that contains its own contradiction? A. Paradox. B. Hyperbole. C. Tautology. D. Malapropism.
C.
C. Tautology is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
A.
A. Paradox is correct. Now your question, which element is 10th in the periodic table? A. Argon. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Neon.
D.
D. Neon is correct. Rute, now it's your turn. What do you call a number that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers? A. Natural number. B. Irrational number. C. Rational number. D. Complex number.
C.
C is correct. What is the measure of how difficult it is to compress a fluid? A. Viscosity. B. Density. C. Bulk modulus. D. Surface tension.
A.
A is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B.
B is also incorrect. The correct answer is bulk modulus. It measures a fluid's resistance to compression. All right. Now your question, what does NFF stand for? A. Nigeria Football Federation. B. National Football Federation. C. Nigeria Football Federation. D. National Federation of Football.
A.
A is correct. Next school, what is the study of meaning in language called? A. Phonology. B. Morphology. C. Semantics. D. Syntax.
C.
C. Semantics is correct. Oh, wow, wow, wow. I have fire brains, going on here in studio. Rute Secondary School and Amide Secondary School, they have just concluded their first session with 10 questions. Let's go for a break, return back, and see how they're going to pan out for the remaining 10.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
Your future is in your hand as a student, not in the hands of your parents, teacher, or anybody. Do not allow anybody to tell you that education is a scam.
The vision of the future of the world started in 2002. Our vision is to build a world where every child.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition.
Welcome back to the Ogiame Atuwatse, the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Oh my, bright minds indeed are coming through with your intelligence, with your strategy, and everything else in between. We have Rute Secondary School here at Amide Secondary School as well here, and of course they have been spitting fire for the first half. Let's see how they're going to do for the second half. I'm your quiz master. It's Rejoice Debekeme here. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
That sounds on the low. I want it to be high. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Then let's do this. Alrighty then, let's begin with Rute Secondary School. What is the process of a gas changing to a liquid when pressure is applied? A. Condensation. B. Compression. C. Liquefaction. D. Vaporization.
B.
B is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
A. Condensation.
That is also incorrect. Liquefaction is the correct answer. It's the process of converting a gas to liquid by applying pressure. Now your question. What type of number leaves a remainder when divided by 2? A. Prime number. B. Odd number. C. Even number. D. Natural number.
B. Odd number.
B. Odd number is correct. Next school, what is the resistance to a change in rotational motion called? A. Inertia. B. Rotational inertia. C. Moment of inertia. D. Angular momentum.
D.
Say that again.
D.
D. That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B.
B is also incorrect. The correct answer is C, moment of inertia. Moment of inertia measures an object's resistance to rotational acceleration. All right, now your question. Which Nigerian authored the play, The Lion and the Jewel? A. J.P. Clark. B. Wole Soyinka. C. Olarotimi. D. Femi Osofisan.
B.
B. Wole Soyinka is correct. Next school. What is a term for a verb form that functions as a noun? A. Participle. B. Infinitive. C. Gerund. D. Modal.
C.
C. Gerund is correct. What is the term for the energy needed to remove an electron from an atom? A. Binding energy. B. Ionization energy. C. Activation energy. D. Bond energy.
B.
B. Ionization energy is correct. Next school, what is the term for the middle number in an ordered set of data? A. Mean. B. Mode. C. Median. D. Range.
C.
C. Median is correct. What is the measure of disorder in a system called? A. Energy. B. Enthalpy. C. Entropy. D. Equilibrium.
C. Entropy.
That is correct. Who is the Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly? A. Arthur Akpowowo. B. Austin Uroye. C. Emomotimi Guo. D. Sharif Oboriwori.
C.
C. Emomotimi Guo is correct. And final question. What is the plural of diagnosis? A. Diagnosi. B. Diagnosis. C. Diagnosed. D. Diagnosis.
A.
A. Diagnosi is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
D.
Say that again.
D.
D. Diagnosis is correct. Clap, 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 clap away. I've been sitting at, is that the middle, the edge, the corner of my seats going on here? I know you've been wondering, get it, you didn't get it. Oh my God, there's a lot of thrill and a lot of suspense and a whole lot going on for the Ogiame Atuwatse, the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition. I know you're feeling the energy, vibe and the aura from wherever it is that you are. Please keep following us, keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing across our social media platforms at Atlantic Media and TV. So we've had here now battling it out representatives from Rute Secondary School and Amide Secondary School. We're going to find out what the results are saying after this commercial.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
Oh wow, it's been a very electrifying one going on here for the P category and talking about the second session going on, the second set of schools going on there, battling it out with the power of intellectuals, you know, and everything that have got on the inside of them. They have gone through the first half, the second half. Now it's time for us to find out what the result sheets are saying. Everyone, are you ready for this?
Yes, who is master?
Oh, voices are going down now because tensions are rising. But one more time, are you sure you're ready for this?
Yes, quiz master.
Then let's hear it for Root Secondary School. They came through with a total of 15 points. Amazing. And for Amide Secondary School, they delivered a total of 13 points. Super awesome. So we've had the battle of intellectuals and geniuses for the P category going on there, and we're super proud of them and for how they have come forth so far. All right, we're going to have one more final session from Group O when we come back from the commercial break. But just to remind you real quick that this competition is powered by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró and Liaison to NNPCL, and we have Root Gender Foundation giving away 2 million naira to the best female participant. Wow, that's a good place to clap. Yes, indeed. And of course, we are also seeing engagements on our social media pages. Please keep it up across social media at Atlantic Media and TV, whether that's Facebook, that's YouTube, that's Instagram. We'd like to see it. Here we have from Balogun Friday saying, wow, I can't wait to see the winner of the Ogiame Atuwatse the third quiz and debate competition, and we can't wait as well. That's why you have to keep it locked in to your favorite social media platform. All right, Abugewa also says, what a great competition. I know, right? And then we have a Sima here saying, I love this. We are loving it as well, and we want you to stay with us. I'm your quiz master, not going anywhere anytime soon. I'm going to be back shortly for some more amazing, brilliant minds coming through. Stay with us.
So keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
Oh yes, indeed. It is the most anticipated quiz and debate competition from the South in Delta State here in Nigeria. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Wow! Wow, wow. Okay, we have hit the ground running, and then of course we had Iwere College, Aginoa Grammar School for the first session for Group J. Now we're transitioning to our next set of schools who are going to be competing for the crown of intellect. So they're coming through with their brilliance, they're coming through with their strategies. We're going to find out what they're going to bring to the table. So can we celebrate Beach School, Coco? And of course, we also have Brightfield International School. You're very, very welcome. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. I'm your quiz master, but I want to find out what your name is too. Hello, who do we have here?
And Sephora.
Nice. And then over here we have? Wonderful. Are you tense? A little bit, just a little, not so much. How about you guys? You guys over here, you a little? Yeah, I know. We're all tense right now, so let's all breathe. Can we breathing? Okay. We're good to go right now. So furthermore, to break the ice, I'm just going to ask you a quick question. What's one book that you have read that has changed your mind, your life in total? What would that be?
Tears of Fulfillment.
Tears of Fulfillment? Yes. Wow, who wrote that one? I can't remember the author, but Tears of Fulfillment. That's interesting. Okay.
Mike. Journey to the Pearl.
Journey to the
Pearl.
To the bond?
Pearl.
Pearl. To the Pearl. Wow. Okay. What was that book about?
About a boy in search of the pearl to save the world.
To save the world. You liked
the force of darkness.
In the force of darkness. And you liked it because it brought out the superhero instinct in you. You want to save the world too? Yes. Someday? Yes, indeed. I like the sound of that one. All right, over here, what do we have?
Great Minds.
Great Minds. Who authored that book?
I can't really recall who wrote it.
Can't really remember, but Great Minds is speaking to you because why did it change your perspective?
It was about a boy who came from a poor background, but he met with a rich man who taught him how he should think and how he should go about things. And that is how his mindset and mentality changed.
Mindset is everything. I like the sound of that one. You have a great mind indeed. Okay.
Gifted Hands.
Gifted Hands.
Yes.
Okay, Great Minds, Gifted Hands. Did you plan this thing before you came in here? Okay. Gifted Hands, what is that about?
It's about a boy. He was not very intellectually sound child. With the help of his parents.
With the help of his friends. Gifted Hands. So we keep believing in you. We're rooting for you. We will not be your parents, but we're here as the motivation that you need. Let's celebrate the participants. All right. Great Minds. Beautiful. Gifted Hands. Amazing. Okay. Tears of Fulfillment. And which other one did we have here now?
Journey to the Pearl.
Journey to the Pearl. Let's see how you're going to journey at the end of this particular session how you're going to do. Make sure when you're speaking out so we can hear you loud and clear. We're rooting for you and we believe that you're going to do well at the end of this session. So one more time, we have Beach School Cocoa, and then we have Brightfield International School. All right, I'm your quiz masters, Rejoice Debekeme here. Keep in mind that you have 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer your questions correctly. If you get a question correct, you have 2 points. For bonus points, you get it correctly, you have 1 point. Participants, contestants, competitors, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
One more time, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
All right, let the quiz competition begin. We're going to kick off with Beach Secondary School. What is the chemical formula for water? A, H2O2, B, CO2, C, H2O, D, O2.
C, H2O.
That is correct. Solve for X. 4X plus 5 equals 25. A, 15. B, 8. C, 3. D, 5.
5.
D5 is correct. Who is the current deputy governor of Delta State as of 2024? A, Ifeanyi Okowa. B, Monday Oyeme. C, Emmanuel Udwaga. D, Sharif Oboriwori.
D.
Sharif Oboriwori, that is incorrect. The correct answer is B, that's Monday Oyeme. He became the deputy governor of Delta State in May 2023. Which of these is a homophone of right? A, wrong. B, right. C, wrote. D, writing.
Right.
That is correct. What is the SI unit of force? A, joule. B, watt. C, Newton. D, Pascal.
C, Newton.
That is correct. What is the capital of Ogun State? A, Ijebu-Ode. B, Abeokuta. C, Ekpe. D, Asaba.
B, Abeokuta.
That is correct. Now you want to make sure that you're taking note of your questions. I don't think we've had any bonus questions just yet. So I know that you're ready, fired up, and prepared. Calm down and breathe and make sure you're taking just your questions, all right? Next question real quick. Which of these is not a noble gas? A, argon. B, helium. C, oxygen. D, neon.
C, oxygen.
That is correct. Find the area of a rectangle with length 8 centimeter and width 5 centimeter. A, 13 centimeter squared. B, 26 centimeter square. C, 40 centimeter square. D, 80 centimeter square.
C, 40 centimeter square.
That is correct. What type of word is quickly? A, noun. B, verb. C, adverb. D, adjective.
C, adverb.
That is correct. Which of these states borders Delta states? A, Lagos. B, Anambra. C, Cross River. D, Ondo.
C, Cross River.
That is incorrect. Bonus question to the next school.
A, Lagos.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is B. Delta State shares the border with Anambra State to the northeast. Okay, so you've had your first 10 questions, and I can see that you're charged up and you're fired up. Oh my God, you're just spitting it out on there. Okay, let's calm down and breathe. Everybody calm down, relax. Let's go for a quick break, and when we return back, we're on to 10 more powerful questions. We're going to find out how the competitors do. Stay with us.
Atlantic TV, culturally inclined, uniquely different.
And the schools present here in the studio, they're doing exceptionally well. But of course, the game is far from over as we're on to the next set of questions. 10 questions that they have to answer to wrap up this particular session. One more time, let's give it up for Beach School Cocoa and Brightfield International School. Amazing. Alrighty then, Quizmaster is ready. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
One more time. Are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Alrighty then, we're going to kick off with Beach School. Let's do this. What is the process of liquid changing to gas called? A, condensation. B, evaporation. C, sublimation. D, freezing.
B, evaporation.
That is correct. Next school. What is 25% of 1,000? A, 25. B, 250. C, 750. D, 100. That is correct. Next question to Beach School. Identify the antonym of bold. A, strong. B, brave. C, timid. D, confident.
C, timid.
That is correct. Brightfield, here we go. Which of these is an example of potential energy? A, running car. A running car. B, a book on a shelf. C, a clapping hand. D, a flying bird. That is correct. Okay, Beach School. What is the main function of red blood cells? A, fight infection. B, carry oxygen. C, produce antibodies. D, clot blood.
B.
B, that is correct. The ethnic groups in Delta State include all except A, Urhobo, B, Ijaw, C, Ishekiri, D, Yoruba. That is correct. Beach School, what is the plural of child? A, childs. B, children. C, children. D, childress.
B, children.
Children, that is correct. Which of these is an acid? A, NaOH. B, KOH. C, HCl. D, MgO. That is correct. What is 5 squared times 2? A, 10. B, 25. C, 50. D, 100.
C, 50.
That is correct. And the final question for this particular session for Beach School Cocoa and Brightfield International School. Brightfield, let's hear it. What happens to the speed of sound as it moves from air to water? A, decreases. B, increases. C, remains the same. D, becomes 0. That is correct. We can do better than that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Standing behind the podium is not easy. Bringing your brilliance, trying to remember everything that you have actually read, you have thought of, and pouring it out in a timely, accurate manner. What? Let's give it up for them one more time. Awesome. They have been racing to the final line, and then here we have it. You're done with your 20 questions, 10 each to both schools. Let's find out after commercials how they did.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Gora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
And indeed, we're experiencing some jaw-breaking, jaw-dropping moments going on here at the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. The students, the participants, the contestants, oh my God, they came ready. Okay, we're about to find out what the score sheets are saying for Beach School Cocoa and Brightfield International School. Are you ready to hear it?
Yes, master.
All right, then let's do this. Overall total score for Beach School Cocoa, we have 18 points. And then, of course, we have for Brightfield International School, 18 points. What? We had a tie. They didn't come to play. They came ready. Oh my God, this is like battle of the intellectuals. Okay, but I'm going to give you one final question. You're going to answer this one now, and then we're going to find out who's going to take it away. We're going to have the fastest mouth. That's what we're going to call this one. Okay, so you think it through, you listen carefully. I'm going to read through twice so you hear it because it's not going to pop up on the screens. And then you're going to answer. Fastest mouth has the extra 2 points. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Alrighty then, I'm ready as well. What's the function of an adverb clause? A, modifies a noun. B, modifies a verb. C, joins 2 clauses. D, names a person or place.
Modifies a verb.
Are we having another draw?
Yes.
Okay. Then we're going to go for one more question. That seems like a draw to me, but you have to speak up and speak out so I can hear you clearly, all right? Who I hear first, loud and clear, that's the answer I'm going to take. When was the Nigerian Medical Association founded? A, 1951, B, 1960, C, 1962, D, 1965.
1962.
Both of them are incorrect. Founded in 1951. Tension, tension, energy is building. Oh my gosh. Pressure, the pressure is real. If you can feel it going on there. We're going to have one more question and see how you do on this one. Which wave needs a medium to travel? A, radio waves. B, sound waves. C, light waves. D, X-rays.
B, sound wave.
That is correct. Alrighty then. And then we have 2 extra points going on there to Brightfield International School. But don't worry, this is just the first stage. We have another stage, and then we have a third stage, and all of these stages are going to make up the first round. And at the end of the day, we're going to find out the schools who are going to transition to the second round. Have you done brilliantly well? I'm proud of you. Clap for them. Beautiful. Alrighty then, so we have had the conclusion for Group J. We've had Oyo-Ekoro College, we've had Guinea Grammar School, we've had Beach School Cocoa, and now Brightfield International School. I can't wait to see what K is going to bring to the table. If you are ready, we were born ready. Stick around and stay with us right after commercials. We continue.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
My name is Desoka, the comedy catalyst of one of Nigerian comedy.
Alright guys, back again, yes boss, my name is Oyo-Ekòró.
Yeah, what up people, it's your boy Victor 80.
Girl Niniola.
My name is my wife, Niger Celebrity type man.
My papa say, who won't carry cow, waka follow the cow. I know the life for you.
I see you know you're watching the Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Informative, educative, interesting, entertaining.
Worldwide, international.
Don't go anywhere, I'll catch you.
Don't touch that die. Atlantic TV. Boom.
Atlantic TV, we wanna party.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
We have 2 more schools to prove their intellectual might in the K category. And right now, the representatives are standing nicely, confidently behind the podium. I'm talking about none other than International Unity School and Ogidigbe Grammar School. Okay, you are welcome to the Ogiame Atuwatse, the 3rd Inter-Collegiate Debate and Quiz Competition. And of course, you're representing your school. Is your morale high? Morale!
High.
Oh, that sounds like a low high. I need a high. Morale!
High.
Okay, I like the sound of that one. I'm your quiz master, it's Rejoice Debekeme here, and I would like to meet the representatives from school. So from International Unity School, we have...
Bright Zero.
And?
Oyo-Ekòró.
Nice, welcome. And then from Ogidigbe Grammar School, we have...
My name is Francis Ejo Kogine.
Freeborn God's Goods.
Welcome. Brilliant brains, brilliant minds coming true. I'm super excited for you. Are you excited to be here?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Do you think that teachers have the most amazing profession in the world?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You agree? You concur?
Yes.
All right, so would you like to give your favorite teacher a shout out?
My chemistry teacher, Daniel.
Teacher Daniel. Oh, wow. Teacher Daniel. We're excited. Thank you so much for all you do. Okay.
My English teacher, Teacher Tracy.
Teacher Tracy, your English teacher. Teacher Tracy. Woo! Okay.
My chemistry teacher, Teacher Mene Austin Boyi.
Teacher Mene Austin. Okay. We love that.
Teacher, Mr. Mark.
Mr. Mark. Well done. And this is just an amazing shout out to all the teachers that are out there. And in fact, behind the scenes, we have lots of teachers, representatives coming through, pulling the students and showing that they're ready, they're set, they're prepared, they're good to go. So can we celebrate the teachers? Working tirelessly. We see you, we love you, we recognize you, and we celebrate you. Thank you for all that you do indeed. It's now time for us to kick off our session. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, Quiz Master.
One more time, let me hear it. Are you ready?
Yes, Quiz Master.
Alrighty then, so the rules remain. We have one question each going back and forth. One question here, another question there, and every correct answer you get for every question, you have 2 points. For a correct bonus question, you have 1 point. All right? And then, of course, you have 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer your questions correctly. Are you ready again?
Yes, Quiz Master.
Okay, let's take a chill pill and breathe for a little bit. A quick commercial break, and then we'll return back.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
We are ready, and I'm sure that you are ready too. Let's find out how our participants and contestants are going to do for this session. We have International Unity School versus Ogiame Grammar School. We're kicking off with International Unity School. Here's the first question. Who is the Vice President of Nigeria? A. Godswill Akpabio. B. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. C. Kashim Shettima. D. Yemi Osibajo.
C.
That is correct. All right, Ogidigben. If 2y plus 8 equals 20, what is the value of y? A. 6. B. 8. C. 4. D. 10.
A. 6.
That is correct. Which of these compounds has a pH less than 7? A. Soap solution. B. Vinegar. C. Baking soda. D. Seawater.
B.
B. Vinegar. That is correct. Ogidigbe, over to you. What is the meaning of the word ambivalent? A. Determined. B. Having mixed feelings. C. Aggressive. D. Careful.
B.
B. Having mixed feelings is correct. Who wrote Nigeria's national anthem, Arise, O Compatriots? A. Nnamdi Azikiwe. B. John Ilechukwu. C. Benedict Odiase. D. Pataiwo Akinwumi.
C.
C. Benedict Odiase is correct. Ogidigben, what is the square root of 144? A. 14. B. 12. C. 10. D. 16.
B. 12.
That is correct. Which of these is a simple machine? A. Generator. B. Lever. C. Computer. D. Television.
Lever. B.
That is correct. What is a group of lions called? A. Pack. B. Pride. C. Herd. D. School.
B. Pride.
That is correct. The first political party in Nigeria was founded in A. 1923, B. 1914, C. 1944, D. 1960.
A.
That is correct. And the final question for this first round. In chemical equations, what does the arrow represent? A. Mixing. B. Yields. C. Equals. D. Addition.
C equals.
That is incorrect. Bonus question to the next school.
Yields B.
That is correct. Okay, now after a brilliant ride going on there now head to head, we've had Ogidigbe and International Unity Schools. Wow, wow, wow. They have come through with some energy, some vibes, some source, some strategy and everything going on there in the mix. And they have done brilliantly well. We're going to go for commercials. On the other side, we're going to see if they're going to maintain this momentum. Stay with us.
Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
If you're just checking in, welcome on board. You're better late than never. We just finished the first session, first half. We're going to go to the second half for this particular session for Ogidigbe Grammar School and International Unity Schools, going on head to head, back to back. Oh my God, I feel like my heart is racing. I can feel my heart, the energy, the goosebumps everywhere. It's intense, but it's brilliant. And now we're about to proceed. Oh my God. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
All right, let's take it away. International Unity Schools, here's your question. Find the perimeter of a square with side length 7 centimeter. A, 49 centimeter. B, 14 centimeter. C, 28 centimeter. D, 21 centimeter.
$28 centimeters.
That is correct. All right, over to you, Ogidigbe. Which figure of speech is used in "The sun smiled at us"? A, simile. B, personification. C, metaphor. D, hyperbole.
B, personification.
That is correct. What is the main function of red blood cells? A, fight infection. B, carry oxygen. C, produce antibodies. D, clot blood.
Carry oxygen B.
That is correct. Nigeria's first oil well was discovered in
C, Olobiri.
Oh my God, that is correct. What is the formula for the area of a circle? A, pi radius. B, 2 pi radius. C, pi radius square. D, 2 pi radius square.
Pi r square C.
C, that is correct. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A, iron. B, mercury. C, copper. D, gold.
B, mercury.
That is correct. The first Nigerian university was established in A, 1932. B, 1948. C, 1960. D, 1962.
B.
B, 1948 is correct. What type of word is between? A. Conjunction. B. Preposition. C. Adverb. D. Pronoun.
A. Conjunction.
That is incorrect.
Between.
Bonus question to next school.
Preposition B.
That is correct. Alrighty then, let's have this one. Convert 42 kilometers per hour to meters per second. A. 11.67 meters per second. B. 10.5 meters per second. C. 12.5 meters per second. D. 14.2 meters per second.
A.
A, that is correct. And the final question for this session, what is the smallest unit of matter? A, molecule. B, atom. C, cell. D, electron.
B, atom.
That is correct. Wow. That is one intense session if you ask me. The battle of brains, intelligence, knowledge, strategy, intellect, everything having a both collaborative mix going on there, but we love it and we're here for it. One more time, let's give it up and celebrate those behind the podium. They have done pretty much well. When we return from commercials, we're going to find out how they did. Stay with us.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
Welcome back to the Ogiame Atuwatse, the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. We're super excited to be doing this. Yes, it's a good place to clap. Amazing. I'm your quiz master. It's Rejoice Debekeme here, and we've had a very intense session going on there with the schools, talking about International Unity Schools and Ogidigbe Grammar School. They've been at, loggerheads going on with the battle of intellects, and we like the energy. We love it. It means that we have bright and shining minds, within and around us. But it's now time to find out what the results are saying. Fingers crossed. Ding, 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 ding. Are you ready for this? Ready. Are you ready? Ready. Alrighty then. So for International Unity Schools, they totaled at 22 points. And for Ogidigbe Grammar School, they came through with 16 points. They did great. Everyone did great. And then, of course, those are the schools that wrap up the category for Group K. So at the beginning, we had Zig Grammar School and Majority Schools. Now we had International Unity School and Ogidigbe Grammar School. And they have done justice. We are super proud of you. Let's celebrate them again. Every single person. Well done, well done, well done. Might I inform you or remind you that the Roots Gender Foundation is giving 2 million naira to the best female participant for the Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Thank you so much. We love that. That's a non-governmental organization, and this is a good place to clap if you like the sound of that. Yes, indeed. Our final group for today will be Group L. We're going to find out what those powerhouses, those schools, what they're going to bring to the table. You have to keep it locked into Atlantic Media and TV across our social media platforms if you want to find out what's going on. We don't want you to miss any part of it. So do well to like, to follow, to share, to comment, to turn on post notifications across our social media channels. Stay with us.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV. The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
And we're back to Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Right about now, we have Oyo-Ekoro College. We hoped that we're going to have Ginoa Grammar School here, competing against them, but unfortunately they cannot be here. So they're going to continue with the second round. I am your quiz master, it's Rejoice Debekebe here. Are you ready?
Yes, Queen Master.
Alrighty then let's get the ball rolling. Part of an element that retains its properties. A, atom. B, molecule. C, compound. D, cell.
A, atom.
That is correct. What's the formula for the area of a trapezoid? A, open bracket A plus B, bracket close, H over 2. B, BH. C, pi r squared. D, LW.
A.
That is also correct. What's the principle that explains why hot air rises? A, Charles' law. B, Boyle's law. C, Archimedes' law. Archimedes' principle, beg your pardon. D, Bernoulli's principle.
D.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Archimedes' principle. Alrighty then, let's take it away with number 4. Who was the first Nigerian to receive a doctorate degree? A, Nnamdi Azikiwe. B, K.O. Mbadiwe. C, Kenneth Dike. D, Alvan Ikoku.
A.
That is correct. What figure of speech is the stars danced in the sky? A, simile. B, metaphor. C, personification. D, hyperbole.
C.
That is correct. Wow, I love the energy already that we have from the Oyo-Ekoro College representatives here in studio. Let's see if they're going to maintain and keep up that energy and drop it like it's hot when we return after commercials.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
The Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
And we're back to Ogiame Atuwatse the third Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Right about now, we have Oyo-Ekoro College. They are spitting fire and dropping like it's hot. 2 girls representing their schools very well. And then we hoped that we're going to have Ginoa Grammar School here, competing against them. But unfortunately, they cannot be here. So they're going to continue with the second round of the remaining 5 questions. You want to find out how they're going to do? I can't wait to. I am your quiz master, it's Rejoice Debekebe here. Are you ready?
Yes, Queen Master.
Alrighty then let's get the ball rolling. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? A, nitrogen. B, oxygen. C, carbon dioxide. D, hydrogen.
A.
That is incorrect. The correct answer to that is carbon dioxide. Next question. What's the line that touches a circle at exactly 1 point called? A. Radius. B. Tangent. C. Chord. D. Secant.
C. Chord.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is tangent. Next question. What's the SI unit for measuring light intensity? A. Candela. B. Lumen. C. Lux. D. Watt.
D.
D. Watt. That is incorrect. The correct answer is A. Candela. Next question. When was the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs established? A. 1961. B. 1963. C. 1965. D. 1967.
A.
A. 1961 is correct. And then your final question for this particular session. What's the past participle of begin? A. Began. B. Begun. C. Beginning. D. Beginned.
D.
D. Beginned. That is incorrect. The correct answer is begun. Alrighty then, but you have tried very well, touching up on your 10 questions. You shot right at it and you got the ones you could. And then, of course, you learned from the ones that you could not, because here we do not fail, we learn. We're going to go for a quick commercial break and return back and find out how Iwere College did on the score sheet.
Atlantic TV, culturally inclined, uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
We're still here live for the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. And right about now, it's time for us to reveal the scores of how Iwere College has fared. What are the score sheets saying? You want to find out? Let's get right to it. I'm your quiz masters, Rejoice Debekeme here. But let's celebrate them just before we reel out the scores. Well done. Okay, so at the end of your 10 questions, with no bonus points, we have a total of 10 points. Amazing. And then for Guinea Grammar School, that is nil because, of course, obviously, they're not present today, but we're rooting for every single candidate, every single participant, every school, and of course, regardless of which group they belong to. We're going to transition nicely now because we're still in the J category, the J group. We're done with Iwere College, Guinea Grammar School. Up next, we're going to have Beach School Cocoa and Brightfield International School. Don't go anywhere.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and of course our dearly beloved, brilliant competitors that we have going on here right about now, you are welcome to the 5th day of the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Wow. Well, it's not just any kind of day today. It's a day for a competition, but guess what? It's also Valentine's Day. And so we're going to be sharing some love, some brilliance, some passion, and everything going on there in the mix. We're going to have a great one. We've seen logic, we've seen passion, we've seen brilliance, we've seen intelligence come true from the different other schools representing their different groups. Let's find out what Group M, Group N, and Group O, what they're going to bring to the table today. They're going to take it up another notch. I'm your quiz master. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. Let's find out the schools in Group M. Bench Hill School. Yes, we also have Wingate Model School. Checkup High School is also well represented. And finally, we also have for Group M, Egbokojo Secondary School. Wonderful, marvelous. Alrighty then, let's find out the contestants that are represented in different schools. For the first session, we have Bench Hill School and Wingate Model School. Representing Bench Hill School, we have
Garide.
We also have
Victor Hiroshima.
Nice. And for Wingate Model School,
Arimora Precious.
And
Maka Emmanuel.
Nice. Welcome, 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 welcome. We're so glad that you're joining us. And of course, you're joining the competition and you're representing your school. We're rooting for you nicely. We're about to kick off the competition right about now. But just before that happens, in the spirit of Valentine and in the spirit of love, can you look to the opposing school and tell them something you appreciate about them, you fancy about them, you love about them, in just a few words?
I love that composure.
You love their composure. Their steez and composure is on point. Oh my God, let's clap. Clap, clap, clap. Nice. How about you? Have you noticed anything about Bench Hill?
Yes.
Okay.
I love their calm nature. They're really calm.
They're really calm. Cool, calm, and collected. Oh my. Confidence is speaking volumes. And on that note, we're going to roll on a very lovey-dovey note. We're going to find out. Let's love lead. Let love lead today in the competition. We're going to find out how they do for their different questions. I'm going to pan out right now to them. They have 20 questions, 10 each to the different schools present here. You have 1 minute, 30 seconds to answer each question correctly. If you get the answers right, then you have 2 points. If you don't get it, it goes as a bonus question to the next school, and if they get it correctly, that is 1 point. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Okay, we're going to kick off with Bench Hill School. What is the name for a substance that turns blue litmus paper red? A, base. B, salt. C, acid. D, neutral compound.
C, acid.
That is correct. Express 0.875 as a fraction in its simplest form. A, 5/8. B, 7/8. C, 3/4. D, 6/8.
B, 7/8.
That is correct. All right, back to bench hill schools now. What phenomenon causes a pencil to appear bent when partially immersed in water? A, diffraction. B, reflection. C, refraction. D, dispersion.
C, refraction.
That is correct. What does NAFDAC stand for? A, Nigerian Agency for Food and Drug Administration Control. B, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. C, Nigerian Authority for Food and Drug Administration and Control. D, National Authority for Food Distribution and Control.
C, Nigerian Authority for Food and Drug Administration and Control.
That is incorrect.
A, National.
A is also incorrect. The correct answer is National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. Let's move on swiftly now. Which of these is a subordinating conjunction? A, and. B, but. C, although. D, or. Bench hill schools?
B, but.
That is incorrect.
C, although.
That is correct. All right, Wingate, let's have your question. What is the common name for calcium oxide? A, caustic soda. B, quicklime. C, slaked lime. D, washing soda.
D, washing soda.
That is incorrect.
B, quicklime.
That is correct. Bench hill schools. In a class of 40 students, if 60% are girls, how many are boys? A, 24. B, 16. C, 20. D, 14.
B, 16.
That is correct. Which color of light is absorbed most by green plants? A, green. B, blue. C, red. D, yellow.
C, red.
That is correct. Bench hill school, when was the Nigerian Postal Service, NIPOST, established? A, 1980. B, 1985. C, 1987. D, 1992.
C, 1987.
That is incorrect.
D, 1992.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is 1985. Alrighty then, number 10, which will be the final question for this first half. What type of verb is seems in she seems happy? A, action verb. B, helping verb. C, linking verb. D, modal verb.
B, helping verb.
That is incorrect.
C, linking verb.
That is correct. Wow, our contestants are doing really brilliant going on here. Let's go for a quick commercial break right now. When we return back, there's more questions coming their way.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
Welcome back to the Ogiame Atuwatse, the third Inter-Collegiate quiz and debate competition. Right now is about Group M and the first schools in that category. We have Bench Hill School and Wingate Model School. They've done well with the first set of 10 questions that they've had. Now it's another round of 10 questions. We're about to find out how they're going to do. I'm your quiz master, Rejoice. Debekeme is my name. Competitors, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Alrighty then, let's do this. Which gas is commonly known as marsh gas? A, ethane. B, methane. C, propane. D, butane.
B, methane.
That is correct. Find the value of x. 4 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket equals 28. A, 4. B, 7. C, 6. D, 5.
A4.
That is correct. What is the name for a device that converts sound energy to electrical energy and back to sound? A, transformer. B, transducer. C, transistor. D, transmitter.
D, transmitter.
That is incorrect.
A,
Bonus.
transformer.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is transducer. It can convert energy from one form to another. Alrighty then, your question, let's go. Who was the first Nigerian woman to become a bank CEO? A, Shola David Bora. B, Cecilia Ibru. C, Funke Oshibodu. D, Bola Adeshola.
C, Funke Oshibodu.
That is incorrect.
D, Bola Adeshola.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is Cecilia Ibru. That is B. She became CEO of Osheni Bank in 1997. Alrighty then, you're doing well. Brace up. There's more coming up. Calm down, relax, breathe. Take your time. You still have 1 minute 30 seconds to shoot at your questions and get them correctly. What is the term for a word that imitates the sound it represents? A, homophone. B, onomatopoeia. C, alliteration. D, assonance.
A, homophone.
That is incorrect.
B, onomatopoeia.
That is correct. Wingate Model School, we have your question here. What is the process of a gas changing directly to a solid called? A, condensation. B, sublimation. C, deposition. D, crystallization.
B, sublimation.
That is incorrect. Bench Hill School, the bonus question to you.
Condensation.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is deposition. Alrighty then, deposition is the process where gas changes directly to solid, skipping the liquid phase. Okay, let's do this. What is the area of a circle with radius 3 centimeter? Use pi equals to 3.14. A, 18.84 centimeters squared. B, 28.26 centimeters squared. C, 31.4 centimeters squared. D, 24.12 centimeters squared. That's right.
Your question.
You took the last bonus question.
B.
That is correct. Oh, we can do better. Come on. Okay, what is the amount of heat needed to raise 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius cold? A, calorie. B, joule. C, specific heat capacity. D, heat capacity.
C, specific heat capacity.
That is correct. Which state was created from Western State in 1976? A, Oyo State. B, Ondo State. C, Ogun State. D, Lagos State. Bench Hill Schools.
Ogun State.
That is incorrect.
Lagos State.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is Oyo State. It was created from Western State in 1976. Alrighty then, now the final question. Wingate, you've got this one. Identify the correct punctuation mark for this sentence. Mary asked dash, where are you going dash? You want to pay attention to the screens. A, full stop, question mark. B, comma, question mark. C, colon, question mark. D, quotation mark, question mark.
D, quotation mark, question mark.
That is incorrect.
B.
B is the correct answer. Alrighty then, you have tried, you have done well. Let's applaud them again. Another warm round of applause. Beautiful. We're going to find out how you do or how you did on the score sheets when we return after the break.
The future belongs to only those who dare to challenge. Are you brave enough to reach for the King's Prize? Set your date and time. Turn on your notification as 64 schools go head-to-head in the maiden Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Brace yourself for intellectual chills and thrills. Watch secondary school students from different local government areas in Delta State battle it out for the grand prize of 10 million naira. This competition will run from the 10th of February to the 24th of June 2025. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
And after a thorough round of questions going on there back and forth for Bench Hill School and Wingate Model College, the results are out. Let's find out what they are saying. If you're just checking in, it is the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. I'm your quiz master, Rejoice. Debekeme is my name. Okay, so we have for Bench Hill Schools, 13 points. And then rounding up for Wingate Model College, we have a total of 10 points. They have done well. They have done fantastic, if you ask me. But of course, it doesn't end here. We're moving. We move. That's exactly right. This is just the first stage. We have the second stage and then the third stage. And we're going to find out how all the competitors from the different schools and the different groups do at the end before they progress to round 2. But we're not in a hurry. We're not counting. No. We're taking it easy, nice and slow, cool, calm, and collected. You have to stick around and stay with us and find out all the tension, all the pressure, all the vibrance, all the passion, all the intellectuality going on there for the competition at Atlantic Media and TV across social media platforms. Do well to stay with us. Right after this, we're up for the next set of schools that are coming up shortly. In the group of M, we have Shekop High School and Oyo-Ekòró Secondary School coming up shortly.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
My name is Desoka, the comedy catalyst, one of Nigerian comedy.
Alright guys, back again, yes boss, my name is Ogiame
Atuwatse.
Yeah, what up people, it's your boy Victor 80.
Girl Niniola.
My name is my wife, Niger Celebrity type man.
My papa say, who won't carry cow, waka go, waka follow the cow. I know the life for you.
I see you know you're watching the Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Informative, educative, interesting, entertaining.
Worldwide, international.
Don't go anywhere, I'll catch you.
Don't touch that die. Atlantic TV. Boom.
Atlantic TV, we wanna party.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition.
The intensity continues as we dive deeper into the quiz. This is still the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. We're having a great time going on here. We're learning as we go. We just finished the first session for Group M from Bench Hill School and Wingate Model School. Right now, behind the podium, we have Shekop High School and Oyo-Ekòró Secondary School. Wow. They are ready and they are pumped up. Let's find out who's representing the different schools. From Shekop High School, we have...
My name is Ogo Precious Ogenefedio.
And?
Igbo Peace.
And then we have from Oyo-Ekòró schools, we have...
Okotuere Shemuga Emanuela.
Say that again?
Hello,
nice. Okay, since we're celebrating love right about now, as it is, yes, competition day, it's also Valentine's Day. Can you tell me that subject you love so much? You can teach it if you're a teacher or a lecturer. You can sleep, wake, breathe. You know, anytime they call you, you're good to go. What would that subject be?
Biology.
Biology. Why do you like biology?
Because it is about study of life and...
The study of life. You like the sound of the study of life. Okay, how about you?
Maths.
Maths? You like maths? Me and you, we're like parallel lines. We're homies. I don't really like maths, but you do. Amazing. It means you have a very sound mind. How about you?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. How do you like chemistry?
Because it talks about matter.
It talks about matter?
It's on the properties.
You like matter?
Yes.
Really? You're the first person I've heard who says they like matter. That's interesting. How about you? Say that again?
Civic education.
Civic education. Alrighty then, we have some, should I call them lecturers to be in the making going on here with your different subjects that they love. Don't we just love something? Well, right now we love the fact that they're going to be going head and head against each other as opponents, but of course they're doing that with all love as we're sharing love right now for the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. I'm your quiz master. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. It's now time for us to start up with the second session for this particular debate. Chekhov High School versus Oyo-Ekoro Secondary School. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
So the rules pretty much remain the same, all right? 1 minute, 30 seconds for each question. If you get that correctly, that attracts 2 points. For every correct bonus question, that attracts 1 point. It's time for us to set the ball rolling. Let the quiz begin. We're going to kick off with Chekhov High School. What is the name of the green pigment in plants responsible for photosynthesis? A. Carotene. B. Xanthophyll. C. Melanin. D. Chlorophyll.
D. Chlorophyll.
That is correct. If angles in a triangle are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 4, what is the value of the smallest angle? A. 20 degrees. B. 30 degrees. C. 40 degrees. D. 50 degrees.
$20.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
B.
B, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is 40 degrees. Alrighty then, real quick, your question. What is the process of nuclear fusion that powers the sun? A, proton-proton chain. B, carbon-nitrogen cycle. C, alpha decay. D, beta decay.
B. Carbon nitrogen cycle.
That is incorrect. Bonus question to next school.
Proton-proton chain.
That is correct. Now your question. Who established the first indigenous bank in eastern Nigeria? A. Nnamdi Azikiwe. B. Michael Opara. C. Alvan Ikoku. D. K.O. Mbadiwe.
Nnamdi Azikiwe.
That is incorrect. My apologies. That is correct. Alrighty then, next question. In the sentence, the old man walks slowly. Which word is an adjective? A, the. B, old. C, walks. D, slowly.
D. Slowly.
That is incorrect.
Old.
Say that again.
B. Old.
B, old. That is correct. Now your question. What is the name for the region where electrons are most likely to be found? A, nucleus. B, orbital. C, shell. D, valence.
Nucleus.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C.
Seashell, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is orbital. An orbital is a region of space where electrons are likely to be found. Now your question. What is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon? A, 540 degrees. B, 1080 degrees. C, 900 degrees. D, 720 degrees.
B.
B, that is incorrect.
D.
D, that is the correct answer. Your question, which of these is not a vector quantity? A, displacement. B, velocity. C, mass. D, force.
Force.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school. Say that again.
Mass.
Mass, that is correct. Your question, which Nigerian region was first to implement free primary education? A, Lagos. B, Western region. C, Eastern region. D, Northern region.
B.
B, Western region is correct. Okay, next school. What type of clause is when it rains in I stay indoors when it rains? A, main clause. B, noun clause. C, adverbial clause. D, relative clause.
Adverbial clause.
That is correct. Correct. I know we like the sound of that is it. That is correct. And when we hear that is incorrect, it sounds like, what? I missed that? No. Okay, but it's all good. We're doing fantastic. We're doing very well. Let's go for a quick commercial break and return back to the next set of questions for our contestants. Stay with us.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
Okay, now that we have our chill pill and everything is all cool, calm, and collected, the competitors can, of course, attest to the fact that it's been quite an intense one going on there, but you're ready and set to take on the next set of questions I'm about to throw at them. It's Rejoice Debekeme here, your quiz master, and we have the schools in M Group, Chekhov High School, and Egbokodo Secondary School. Let's do this. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Let's hit the ground running. What type of reaction occurs when an acid reacts with a base? A, decomposition. B, neutralization. C, oxidation. D, reduction.
C, oxidation reaction.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
Neutralization.
That is correct. Now your question. If a quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides, it is called A, rectangle. B, parallelogram. C, trapezoid. D, rhombus.
B, parallelogram.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
D.
D, rhombus. That is also incorrect. It's a trapezoid or trapezium. You know, that's defined by having exactly one pair of parallel sides. That's how it works. Alrighty then, your question now. What is the property of a material that returns to its original shape after deformation? A, plasticity. B, elasticity. D, ductility. D, malleability.
C.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B, elasticity.
That is correct. What does NUPENG stand for? A, Nigerian Union of Professional Engineers. B, Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers. C, Nigerian Union of Petroleum Engineers and Gas Workers. D, National Union of Professional Energy Groups.
C.
That is incorrect. Bonus question to next school.
A.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is B, Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers. Now your question real quick. What is the rhetorical device where contradictory terms are combined? A, paradox. B, oxymoron. C, antithesis. D, irony.
B.
B, oxymoron. That is correct. What is the process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen called? A, hydration. B, hydrolysis. C, photolysis. D, electrolysis.
B, hydrolysis.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
A.
A, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is D, electrolysis. Electrolysis uses electrical energy to split water into its component elements, okay? Alrighty then, next question. What is the volume of a cylinder with radius 2 centimeter and height 5 centimeter? Use pi equals 3.14. A, 62.8 centimeter cube. B, 31.4 centimeter cube. C, 125.6 centimeter cube. D, 15.7 centimeter cube.
B.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
C.
That is also incorrect. Correct answer is A, 62.8 centimeter cube. Alrighty then, your question now. What is the measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of a body? A, heat. B, temperature. C, energy. D, pressure.
B, temperature.
That is correct. Who was the first Nigerian to win an Olympic gold medal? A, Mary Onyali. B, Chioma Ajunwa. C, Samuel Peters. D, Chidi Imo.
B, Chioma Ajunwa.
That is correct. And the final question for this particular session, which of these sentences contains a compound subject? A, the cat sleeps. B, John and Mary study. C, he writes quickly. D, they went home.
B.
John and Mary study B. That is correct. Well, if you ask me, that has been one intense session going on there now with lots of suspense, you know, in between. I could feel my heart racing and goosebumps and adrenaline rush and everything. It was a mix of everything going on there. And I'm sure that you were at the edge of your seat from wherever it is that you've been watching. But it's been a good, beautiful experience. Wholesome one that we're not going to forget in a hurry. We're making history here with Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Well, we've come to the end of this particular round and session for Shekop High School and Oyo-Ekòró Secondary School under the group of M. I'm sure we all want to find out what the score sheets are saying right after this break.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
The hour has come when we get to reveal the results on the score sheets for our two schools here, Shekop High School and Oyo-Ekòró Secondary School. Let's find out exactly how they did. So for Oyo-Ekòró Secondary School, they rounded up at a total of 13 points. And for Shekop High School, they came through with a total of 9 points. Did they do good? Yes, they did. Another warm round of applause for our contestants. Amazing. Let me quickly remind you here. I think we have ladies behind the podium. We have 3 ladies. Beautiful. So we have the Root Gender Foundation offering 2 million naira to the best female participant for the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. So yes, indeed, you're still here. You're still in the competition. Let's see how you're going to do during the next stage. Okay, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And of course, comment across our social media platforms at Atlantic Media and TV. So we're done with Group M. Let's see what Group N and the powerhouse schools in that category have for us. I'm still your quiz master, Rejoice Debekeme is my name. We're going to be back shortly. Don't go anywhere.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Oyo-Ekòró to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
My senior comrade, I used to call him, I appreciate you. I'm representative of Oyo-Ekòró, His Majesty Ogiame Atuwatse III, Chief Engineer Dr. Wilson Ole, recognize you. I want to recognize all facilitators, panelists, and welcome all guests, parents, and every worried child present here, especially our students. I actually want to really thank our father and Reverend Monarch. I am humbled and grateful to serving him and the people of Oyo Kingdom. You don't know what it means to be here. Let me shock you. The future of the worried child is a dream I have carried for 22 years, since 2002. If not for His Majesty, I won't be here today. The dream will still be inside me. Nobody will know about it. So when I say I am humbled and grateful, I want you to know that I'm saying this not because I'm just palace boy. I'm saying it because it means so much to me. I have discussed with Michelle Manuel and Eyobe quite a number of times, 10, 15 years ago. We have to wait through these different things first. And we thank God today we are here. So for my worried child, area. Don't worry, we day here. We play ball for the primary school for Igbo battle. Yeah? So now we win for Agbasa everywhere. We play ball, we do principal cup, we do jet club, we play basketball, we do everything. So more than don't worry, now we be there. I attended an college, I left from college in 1996. If you know you are in SS3, I need 10 of you on the podium. 10 SS3. The first thing, actually, will be the one. So, I need some guys here to stop when we have 10. It's enough. I love it. You know, that's the warrior spirit. The warrior spirit we have always believed in. The warrior spirit that has taken the likes of Professor Oyo-Ekòró Thomas to become Vice Chancellor at the University of Ibadan, that has made the likes of Professor Alele Williams to be the first mathematics professor. Okay, I want to isolate you. Sorry, I'm giving to analysis. I was first trained a chemist. So before being engineer and businessman and trainer and everything, so I am a chemist. I'm given to analysis. I would like to separate. You know, those of you in sciences, they say atom is an indivisible particle. But when we got to the university, we know atom can be splitted into proton, electron, and then we know that electron can be splitted into energy levels. So I want you, just join them. Taking your school. Join them. You. Which other school? I think I've taken all this. Maybe today is your topic. Are they up to 10? We have 6. Okay. And you? How many do we have now? 9? 9, right? Nana College. Okay, school is done. Okay, so my lucky 10. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I didn't say you should try more. 15, last person. Okay, actually, want to pay for your wife fees. I actually wanted to pay for 10 persons, but okay, we pay for 25. Where are the teachers that followed these students from the various schools? So don't come. When I come, I listen, I know many people teachers, so I know many. What's it called? We used to go to college for volleyball when I was in Inter-Collegiate. Played volleyball. We go to easy lesson. We start easy. You know easy? Yeah, that's it. Like that. So, are your students from SS3? Yes. Okay, all of you can confirm your SS3? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for being there.
will read when I don't feel like reading. I will read until I feel like reading. Your future is in your hand as a student, not in the hands of your parents, teacher, or anybody. Do not allow anybody to tell you that education is a scam.
The vision of the future of the world child started in 2002. Our vision is to build a world where every child is inspired to pursue their passion, reach their full potential, and contribute meaningfully to their community. Our mission is to empower the world child to embrace their unique personalities and temperaments, fostering a future of self-discovery, personal growth, and positive change.
You see, you cannot put yourself as a parent in the child. The child has to develop, find out what he or she likes most. You can be absolutely anything you want to be, whether you are a male, whether you're a female.
The friends you keep matters a lot.
So you might be addicted, that is a fact. The truth, can you leave that addiction? That is the truth.
Through the office of the sole representative of the Olu of Warri, and by the Olu of Warri, we are going to be paying for 100 SS3 students. Wow. So if you add the 25, we're actually paying for 125 students. It's the Ogiame Atuwatse the third, and of course, for the Warri child, never give up. Just believe in yourself, and the sky is your limit.
He said never give up. 22 solid years he carried a dream. Wow. The future of the Warri child is indeed safe and secure.
My name is Desoka, the comedy catalyst of one of Nigerian comedy.
Alright guys, back again, yes boss, my name is Osh baby.
Ogiame Atuwatse.
Yeah, what up people, it's your boy Victor Edi.
Girl in your life.
My name is my wife and just celebrity type man.
My papa say, who won't carry cow, waka follow the cow. I know the life for you.
I see you know you're watching the Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Informative, educative, interesting, entertaining.
Worldwide, international.
Don't go anywhere, I'll catch you.
Don't touch that die. Atlantic TV. Boom.
Atlantic TV, we wanna party.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
So keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV. Atlantic TV.
Keep watching Atlantic TV.
Atlantic TV. Culturally inclined and uniquely different. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMTCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation, and proudly sponsored by Rukotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekoro TV. The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition
And now we're on to the final showdown for the day and for the first stage of the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. It's been a very thrilling, electrifying, mind-blowing, thought-provoking, and in some cases heart-breaking journey. But of course, we're going to have to wrap it up at some point, and today is the day when we do that. We have an amazing set of schools here in studio from the category of O, talking about Classical International Schools and Gabriela Schools. Can we celebrate them? Wonderful. I'm your quiz masters, Rejoice Debekebe here. Let's meet the contestants representing their schools. From Classical International Schools, we have
Ilwe Princess.
Nice. It is good to see you. And from Gabriela School?
Ojulari Great.
Awesome. How do you feel about the last school wrapping up stage 1? How do you feel about that?
It's exciting.
It's exciting to know that you're closing it out. You're wrapping it up. And you're doing it strong and you're doing it sound. So when you're in that space, when you feel anxious and when you feel tense, you know, what would you like people to do around you? People who are around you, what would you like them to do?
To cheer me.
To cheer you up. Yes. So let's do that. Can we cheer him up now? Let's go. Come on now. You can do this. All right, how about you?
Same.
Same thing for him. He says, let's cheer. Let's celebrate them. All right, how about you, Classical? To play music? What are we going to play for her now? We have to sing something from the background. Oh my. Don't give up. It's not over. When you give up, then it's over. You got this. How about you, my darling? Attention. Everybody focus on her. Alrighty then, one more time. Let's celebrate them. They're doing amazing. We're rooting for you. You got this. Okay, you got this. Classical International Schools versus Gabriela Schools. The competition has been intense, but of course, I know that you're going to end with a bang, right? The protocols and the rules of engagement remain, okay? You have 20 questions, 10 each to both schools. If you answer anyone correctly, that attracts 2 points. Every bonus correct answer attracts 1 point. You have 1 minute 30 seconds to answer your questions. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, Quiz Master.
I can't hear you. Are
Yes,
you
Quiz
ready?
Yes, Quiz Master.
Okay, let's do this. We're going to start off with Classical International Schools. What is the process of a liquid changing to a solid called? A. Condensation. B. Solidification. C. Freezing. D. Crystallization. B, that is correct. Gabriela Schools, your question, what is the total number of diagonals in a pentagon? A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D, 10.
C5.
That is correct. Classical International, your question now. What is the transfer of heat through empty space called? A, conduction. B, convection. C, radiation. D, transmission. C, radiation is correct. Over to you, Gabriela Schools. What does NIMC stand for? A, Nigerian Identity Management Commission. B, National Identity Management Commission. C, Nigerian Information Management Corporation. D, National Information Management Corporation.
B.
B, National Identity Management Commission. That is correct. Over to you, Classical. What is the name for a verb form that combines with other verbs to form verb phrases? A, principal verb. B, auxiliary verb. C, main verb. D, action verb.
B.
B, auxiliary verb is correct. Gabriela Schools, over to you. What is the process of converting a gas directly to plasma called? A, ionization. B, plasmification. C, excitation. D, discharge.
E, ionization.
That is correct. Over to you, Classical, for your question. What is y if 4x plus 2y equals 30 when x is 7? A, 1. B, 2. C, 3. D, 4.
A1.
A1, that is correct. Gabriela, your turn. What is the force that keeps planets in circular orbits? A, centripetal force. B, centrifugal force. C, gravitational force. D, electromagnetic force.
A, centripetal force.
That is correct. Classical, your turn. Who was Nigeria's first indigenous Chief Justice? A, Adetokunbo Ademola. B, Taslim Elias. C, Fatai Williams. D, Mohammed Bello.
A.
A. Adetokunbo Ademola. That is correct. And so the final question for this first round. What is the study of the way words are pronounced called? A. Phonetics. B. Morphology. C. Phonology. D. Syntax.
A. Phonetics.
That is correct. Wow, 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 wow. We are seeing some display of intellect coming through. These contestants, they came ready. They came prepared. My God, their brains are working overtime. We're going to go for a quick commercial break, return back with 10 more questions, and we're going to find out how they're going to do on the other side.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
It's 10 questions down and 10 more to go. The battle of the intellectuals for the quiz competition, that's the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition, continues right about now. We have representing schools here, amazing competitors and contestants. We have Gabriela Schools and we have Classical International Schools. They have done well for the first round. Let's see how they're going to do for the second round. I'm your quiz master. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. If you're ready, I'm ready. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Let me hear you. Are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Alrighty then, let's do this. We're going to continue from the next school. Okay, so we have, what is the term for atoms of different elements with the same mass number? A. Isotopes. B. Isobars. C. Isotones. D. Isomers.
D.
D?
Yes.
That is incorrect. Bonus to the next school.
A.
That is also incorrect. Correct answer is B, that's isobars. Isobars are atoms of different elements with the same mass number but different atomic numbers. Now your question, Gabriela. What type of average is least affected by extreme values? A, mean. B, mode. C, median. D, range.
C, median.
C, median is correct. Classical International School, over to you. What is the term for the point at which an object's weight appears to act? A, center of mass. B, pivot point. C, equilibrium point. D. Center of gravity. Say that again.
D.
D. Center of gravity is correct. Gabriela, what does INEC stand for? A. Independent National Election Commission. B. Independent National Electoral Commission. C. Internal National Electoral Committee. D. Independent Nigerian Electoral Commission.
B.
B, the answer is correct. Classical, which literary device uses part of something to represent the whole? A. Metaphor. B. Synecdoche. C. Metonymy. D. Personification.
B.
B. Synecdoche, that's correct. Next school, what type of bond involves the sharing of 3 pairs of electrons? A. Single bond. B. Double bond. C. Triple bond. D. Ionic bond.
C. Triple bond.
That is correct. Next question, what is the term for the longest diagonal in a 3-dimensional figure? A. Hypotenuse. B. Diameter. C. Space diagonal. D. Median.
A.
A. Hypotenuse, that is incorrect. Bonus question to next school.
B. Diameter.
B is also incorrect. The correct answer is space diagonal. All right, now your question. What is the phenomenon where a wave's frequency appears to change due to relative motion? A. Diffraction. B. Doppler effect. C. Interference. D. Polarization.
B. Doppler effect.
That is correct. Classical. When was the Nigerian Navy established? A. 1956. B. 1958. C. 1960. D. 1962.
A.
A. 1956 is correct. Okay, and the final question for this session. Gabriela, what is the study of word origins called? A. Phonology. B. Etymology. C. morphology. D, syntax.
Phonology. A.
A, that is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C.
C, morphology, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is etymology. It's the study of the origins and history of words. But have you guys done well? You've done amazing! Okay, let us go for a quick break. When we return, we're going to find out what the score sheets are saying.
The Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Kora Care Foundation and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ale Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Kora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Oyo-Ekòró TV.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.
Oh my God. Oh wow, I'm all smiles here because I am just super proud of how Classical International Schools and Gabriela Schools came through and they delivered. They delivered their schools, their polling units, whatever it is, they delivered. Oh my God, it's the definition of give them, back to back to back, back to back. Awesome, let's celebrate them one more time. Wow, but the hour has come where we have to reveal what the score sheets are saying. For Classical International Schools, they came down with a total of 16 points. Wowza! And for Gabriela Schools, they came through with a total of 18 points. Amazing! That's just putting it lightly. Phenomenal, extremely beautiful, excellent. Those are just few words to describe how I'm feeling about this. I'm sure that you're feeling the energy wherever it is that you are viewing right now across social media, whether that's Facebook, that's YouTube, that's Instagram. You know, we're super glad that you're here, or you're just joining in at Atlantic Media and TV. It is the Ogiame Atuwatse III Inter-Collegiate Quiz and Debate Competition, and officially we have wrapped up stage 1. Wow. So all the participants, the contestants, they have come with their fire, their gust, their zeal, their passion, their energy, their brilliance, their strategy, and everything else in between. And we're super proud of them, all the way from A to P. That's for the alphabet going on there. We're going to kick off again stage 2 beginning from tomorrow. You don't want to miss any part of this one. Okay, you have to stick around. Stay tuned and keep it locked in. And then for you who's feeling some type of way like, oh my God, I haven't done well, keep in mind that this is just the first step in the journey, all right? Keep honing your skills, refining your skills, and then you're going to come out shining through at the end. From all of us here, we're definitely rooting for you. Don't forget that this particular competition is proudly powered by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri and Liaison to NNPCL. And just to inform you or remind you that the Root Gender Foundation is giving 2 million naira to the best female participant. I'm super excited. Please keep your comments coming in, keep the likes coming in, keep the shares, the love and everything coming in, and let's keep cheering on those who are engaging in the competition right about now. We're making something historical going on here. You have to be a part of it. You don't want to be told, you want to be here. Let's quickly go to the comment section to see how we're doing there. We have Asima saying, I love this. We also have Tina saying, I look forward to seeing IUS United versus Federal Government College. So she's rooting for her favorite schools going on there. You can root for your schools going on there. And you can also drop a comment and tell us who you think is going to go away with the crown, the intellectual crown at the end of the day, and the 10 million naira. We want to see your comments coming through on that one. Have we had a fantastic, phenomenal time, electrifying journey for this competition? Yes, we have. One more time, a warm round of applause, everyone. Woo! I told you, we are ending the first stage with a bang, but it's going to get bigger, better, more intense, and more interesting. You don't want to miss it. We're going to be dropping it like it's HOT. I remain your moderator, and of course, the quiz master. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. Until next time, keep winning. Adios.
Don't miss out on exciting news, events, and more. Stay connected by following us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Atlantic Media and TV.